What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deanna, and I'm going to be installing this wig that I got from Unice hair. Their information is below. Before I get into the video, I'm just going to show you all of the goodies that they sent me with the wig. So look at this. These folks done sent me some press-on nails. When I tell you I was surprised when I saw some press-on nails in the box, do you see how raggedy my nails look right now? I had to do a little happy dance, and those are super cute. They also sent me a cute hair clip, a wig cap, a freaking pin that's bejeweled and super cute. I was like, oh, how do y'all know I like to write? Go ahead, Unice. A wig band. And I also got in the box, what did I get? Oh, these eyelashes, super cute. Another wig cap and a brush. So this is what the wig looks like. So this is a straight to deep wave wig in 24 inches. It's a V-part wig. So what it means is it can go to straight and it can go to deep wave, but you'll see that later. This is just a typical V-part wig construction with the clips on the sides and the elastic band at the back and the clips in the front. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I install my V-part wigs, like how I do the base for my hair. I do this for all V-part wigs. If you notice, I look a little different in this video, okay? I'm just going to let you know now that I had to take this clip from another video because something happened in the editing stage, and the clip of me doing my base currently it got deleted. Okay, so work harder, or not work harder, work smarter, not harder. So I had to take a clip that I used before and I insert it into this video. But anyways, the process is the same. As you can see here, I have nails. But yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm first parting out my leave out that I'm going to leave out in the front, and I'm parting out my anchor braids because I'm ultimately going to be braiding my hair straight back. But I first want to make sure like my anchor braids and everything is set, because that is the most important part when you do a V-part install. That's because if you don't have anchor braids, you can still install a V-part wig, but your wig gonna be slipping and sliding on the sides. Trust me, I know. I've done so many V-part wigs. Anchor braids will be your best friend. So for the back of my hair, I just braided my hair in two big braids going straight back. The back really isn't that important because it's going to be underneath the wig. What really needs to lay flat is the front of your head, but the back, you really can do anything. If you don't know how to braid, you can put your hair in a lower ponytail. You can do cornrows. You can really, girl, I don't know, you can swoop it around. I don't know, you can do whatever as long as it fit underneath that wig cap. This is not the important part. I just like to braid it because it just feels neater to me. Honestly, it just feels like I have like a style. But you don't have to do this. So when you're done, you should have a little something that looks like this, or maybe a little better than this if you actually know how to braid, but I don't. I just make it do what it do. So anyways, now I'm just going to take the ends of my hair and bobby pin them to my head. Somebody once asked me why I don't use like the crochet needle. It's because I don't know how. Okay, I don't know how. I tried one time, it didn't work out, so I stick to what I know, bobby pins. So now I'm just going to part my hair in the middle, and I'm going to make my, these are also anchor braids, but these are anchor braids on the sides of your leave out. This is with the two clips on each side of the V in the V part. It's what that's going to hold on to. And trust me, this part is important as well. You want to make sure you have something sturdy. Braids honestly probably would be best here. I'm not good at braiding that small, so I did twist, but braids would be better because it stops those clips from sliding. But twists work as well. Just make sure you bobby pin them down. Okay, so fast forward to today when my nails look raggedy. So I'm just sliding the wig on my head and making sure it fits comfortably. What I was doing in the back is tucking in the elastic band And now I'm just going to adjust the clips to fit on my anchor braids and to fit in the sides of my hair. Basically just making sure it fits comfortably without like tugging at any like loose hair strands or anything like that. You just want to make sure it fits comfortable. For my edges, I'm using Edge Booster as well as Eco Gel because my edges are natural now. I used to relax my edges, but ever since they told me that the creamy crack causes uterine cancer, I stopped using it. Can't say I'll stop using it for good, honestly, because my edges are a struggle, but this is doing the job for now. So, yeah. So first go through with the black gel and I smooth down my edges. I kind of just like map out how I want them to look. And once I feel like everything looks good, then I go through with the edge booster, and I feel I feel like the edge booster like sets it in place so that it doesn't move. Even though it does move later on, it doesn't last all day. I'm not gonna lie to you. It lasts for like maybe a couple hours, which is why I resort to relaxers. But it's bad. It's like a bad addiction, and I need to get away from it. And I need to just accept my edges for what they are, natural and curly. But here we are. What the wig looks like before I touched it, did any styling or whatever. It's just like a flat, plain, straight wig. You can literally do whatever. Me, I decided, hey, I want to throw some curls in this wig. So I took out my wand and I decided to wand curl it really quickly. Only, like, I do know that the point of this wig is to go from, like, straight to deep wave, but we'll get there. First, I wanted to test it out a little bit, put some heat on it first. I was like, can you put some heat on this wig? And then will it bounce back wet? Like, because, you know, sometimes, like, when you put heat on stuff, the curl patterns don't be the same. And I'm like, we're going to put this wig to the test. So I curled this whole entire wig, and these curls came out super cute, first and foremost. So, and it does hold a curl really, really well. The texture of this hair is very silky. I actually really love the texture. And it blends with my hair pretty good at the top. My hair is damaged, y'all. Don't, it's, my hair is the problem, not the wig. But even when I flat iron my hair, it blends pretty freaking well. Ooh, look at these curls. They're so pretty and shiny. No, for real though, look, this wig is super cute and it's super convenient because it's really easy to put in. Didn't have to worry about no glue, no sewing, no nothing like that. I literally can just throw it on and curl it or style it and go. But guess what, y'all? That's not it. That is not what you came to this video for. What you came here for is to see a little magic trick. So I'm going to show it to you. So the first thing I'm going to do here is flat iron the hair. Well, I kind of did that before this. I flat ironed the rest of them curls out just to get it out because I just wanted to see what the hair would look like from going curly back to straight. So I kind of put heat on it twice, and this is what it came. It straightened out pretty well. Like, this is how it came out. It looks really good. I got a bump in the back per usual. Let's ignore that. I always miss the back of my head, whatever. But yeah, so it came out really good. It's super straight. It's super long. This is 24 inches. So I really liked how it came out. But I'm like, okay, now it's time for the grand finale. Let's put this hair to the test. So I broke out my handy dandy water bottle and I got to spraying. Okay. So let me tell you something about this. Yes, it will go wavy, curly, or whatever, but you must drench the hair. You can't just spray it like little couple sprays, spray it and hope it'll wave up. No, 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 no. You have to drench the hair. If you want to, run it under some water, take it off and wash it, and then, you know what I'm saying? Actually, that'll probably be more convenient if you don't want to get your clothes wet or whatever. For the purpose of this video, I just used a spray bottle because I didn't feel like taking the wig back off, obviously. But yeah, you do have to get it super, super, super wet. I did pause and wring out the hair in the tub behind me. I cut that out of this video, but it was literally that wet. But once you do get it wet and once it dries super, super pretty, and it dries like a really pretty deep wave, like what you see here. So this is just a side-by-side comparison of what the waves in the hair looks like on one side as what compared to it being straight on the left side. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish curling the rest of the hair. Something else I forgot to mention is as you're wetting the hair, make sure to scrunch it, like do the scrunching motion because it helps the waves develop more. Especially like if you don't want to take the wig off and wash it or run it under running water. If you use a spray bottle, scrunch it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Like that is it to this wig. This wig can do so much. All the information is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Adios. Till next time.